The Ramadan Bazaar at the stadium, which is very popular among the residents of Shah Alam every Ramadan season, has now been temporarily relocated due to ongoing construction of a new stadium. What we felt when we came here was a somewhat dull atmosphere, with fewer visitors compared to before.
Selamat datang di Shah Alam Seksyen 13 Stadium bersama saya Chef Ammar. Masa dari hati, masa wadiman. Sur!
The Ramadan Bazaar at the stadium, located in Section 13, Shah Alam, had always received an overwhelming response in the past. However, starting this year, the bazaar has been temporarily relocated due to the construction of a new stadium. When we arrived here at 5 p.m. on a Friday, usually the peak hour for Shah Alam residents to buy food for breaking their fast, we noticed a significant change in the atmosphere. It is evident that the number of visitors to the Ramadan Bazaar at the stadium has decreased this year compared to previous years. This could be due to the new location being less well known to the public, or perhaps because people are starting to be more frugal and reducing their spending at the bazaar this year. Although a wide variety of food, especially for breaking fast, is sold at this bazaar, it still hasn't been enough to attract crowds as it did in previous years.